If you're like most homeowners, you probably have some essential services in your home that you use and pay for monthly, like television, mobile phone, electricity, water, gas, among others. Your heating, cooling, indoor air quality, and plumbing needs should be no different. Unfortunately, when faced with costly repairs or the prospect of buying an expensive new home comfort system, most homeowners reluctantly pay thousands for the repair or replacement. The reality is that most people just want to be comfortable in their homes, cool on a hot day, warm on a cold one, with clean air for their loved ones to breathe, and reliable hot and cold water for their daily activities. They don't really need to own their systems, but in today's world, it's their only option. Until now. The Premier program solves these challenges. By choosing the Premier program, you'll get a worry-free service that includes no-charge annual preventative maintenance, no-charge covered repairs, parts, and air filters, no-charge 24/7 priority scheduling, no trip charges, diagnostic fees, overtime fees, or expensive repairs, and the most advanced heating, cooling, and plumbing systems, all for about the same low monthly price you pay for your other essential home services. And there's more. As a Premier program customer, if your heating, cooling, or plumbing system breaks and can't be repaired, we'll replace it at no charge. With the Premier program, you'll likely never buy another heating, cooling, or plumbing system again. Ready to start enjoying worry-free home comfort today? Ask your Premier program authorized contractor how to get started.